Dear children, have you heard about heaven on earth? Or what kind of place would you like to call heaven on earth? Do you know who was Tenali Rama? Tenali Rama was an Indian poet, scholar, thinker, and a special advisor in the court of Sri Krishna Dev Raya. Tenali Rama was a Telugu poet who was generally known for the folk tales which focus on his wit. And in this story, Tenali Rama takes King Krishna Dev Raya to a place which was as blissful as heaven. So, let us listen to this story. One day, King Krishnadev Rai was very busy in discussing important matters with his courtiers. Just then, the king posed a question to all his courtiers. He said, "As a young boy, I had heard of a very beautiful place. People said that it was heaven on earth. Does anyone amongst you know of such a place? It is my greatest desire to visit this place." But none of the courtiers knew of any such place. Then the king was disappointed. Just then, what happened? Tenali Raman got up from his seat and addressed to the king, "Your Majesty, I have also heard of such a place, but I need 10,000 gold coins and some time to locate that place." The king ordered the treasurer to give 10,000 gold coins to Tenali. Tenali left the court with the promise to return soon. A few days later, the king inquired, "Tenali, have you located the beautiful place called heaven on earth?" Tenali bowed his head and answered, "Not yet, Your Majesty. Give me some more time and I will surely take you there." A few weeks passed by. Then, one day, Tenali came to the court very excited. "Your Majesty, I have located the place that you have been waiting to see. We can leave for that place tomorrow in the morning." The next morning, King Krishnadev Rai, Tenali Raman, and a small royal group of attendants left for the place. After a while, they stopped to rest near a forest. There were several groves of trees and colorful flowers all around. The green grass was juicy, tender, and fresh to smell. It was an amazing sight. Tenali ordered the servants to put up tents in the wonderful meadow. A cool breeze was blowing and everyone was thoroughly enjoying the natural beauty around. Within a few minutes, some dark clouds gathered in the sky and the breeze became stronger. A light drizzle began, which turned into a refreshing rain shower. Every leaf and flower appeared clean and fresh, while the king and his courtiers were enjoying themselves. Tenali Raman was seen coming down the forest path. He was followed by some men carrying baskets full of ripe, juicy mangoes on their heads. And the king and others enjoyed the sweet and juicy mangoes. And after some time, the rain stopped. The king had his fill of the sweet mangoes, and then he asked Tenali, "How far is the spot that you have found? I can't wait to see heaven on earth." Then, what Tenali did? Tenali smiled and replied, "Your Majesty, just look around. You are in the beautiful lap of nature. The rain shower has freshened and brightened everything around, and you can see a beautiful rainbow in the sky. You and your men have just enjoyed the sweetest mangoes of our kingdom. Do you think there is another place anywhere else where such a heaven can be found? King Krishnadev Rai was impressed with Tenali's words. He smiled and said, "Indeed, Tenali, you are right. These moments spent in the company of nature were really blissful. It was as if I were enjoying heavenly pleasures on earth." The king then asked Tenali what he had done with the 10,000 gold coins. "Your Majesty, I spent the coins in buying good seeds and planting them at various places in Vijayanagar. With thousands of new trees in our kingdom, Vijayanagar will be full of greenery. The air will be fresh and healthy, and we will be the proud residents of heaven on earth." The king congratulated Tenali and praised him for his foresight. He then gave him a handsome reward for showing him heaven on earth. So, children, from this story, you know that this nature itself is the heaven on earth.